Hey, do you guys know if this place? Do you work here or?
I work at Brent.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to figure out if these cookies and cakes.
Bakery has really weird hours.
Weird.
It's just kind of hit or miss.
Is it good though?
It's delicious.
Okay. Awesome. All right. Well, I appreciate the advice. All right.
Thank you. You too. There you go, man.
What's that for? Hey.
Hey.
What do you mean? Good one. Hey there.
Oh my god.
Didn't mean to scare you. Sorry. No, that's all you. No, really. Yeah, I was just thought you might need $5.
So-
There you go. Yeah. Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys next time. That was a good prank, Brett. Right, man? Good prank? All right.